Hey everybody, what's happening? I'm Shannon King, and we're going to be working today to do something basic that you gotta have in your toolbox. And this is the 6 and the 8 curls. So 6 curls basically look like this. You wrap everything around the wand the same direction, but there's also the 8 curl. You gotta have that one. So today I'm gonna use a little bit of our sea salt spray. Why? Because it has tons of memory. It's amazing. If you haven't tried this to curl with, man, look out. So look, here's the 8 curl. You're gonna season the hair at the base. Wrap the curl around one side, let it move, and then take it to the other side of the hair. So it basically makes an 8. When you turn the iron, check that out. It's in the center. So now you keep clicking, click, 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 and feed that into the middle. What that does is gives you a longer lasting curl. So a 6 curl is going to give you something that's a little bit more of like a ringlet. This is going to give you a curl that sets even longer. Now you're going to need these because if any of you guys do bridal hair and things like that, or you need this look to stay a long time, you're definitely going to want to have this. Now, I've done the entire head with alternating 6s and 8s, you know, and when you do that, look, check this out. When you brush it out or comb it through, you actually get an amazing bouncy finish to the look, like so. But it also can be brushed. Because it's in a figure 8, it can be brushed into a wave. That's right, it can be brushed into a wave. So now, guys, I'm Shannon King, coming to you live here from my home here in Brooklyn, New York in the United States. And you know, during this time, you know, we want to make sure that you guys have something fun to do, something you can play with, something you can practice. And look, have fun with this, try it out. If you don't have an iron with you because they're at the salon, then use a comb. Use your fingers. Use whatever you need to create this, but here's the look. Check this out. I've got several videos that are coming your way, and so do the rest of my friends and teammates from around the world, and we're going to be bringing you guys stuff so that you can practice, stay sharp, and stay ready, because we're going to be busy. Look forward to the next videos coming your way soon.